Hello everyone! Welcome back to Cuisine Explorer. Natatakam ka bang humigop ng mainit at masarap na sabaw? Here's a recipe that will surely warm your stomach as well as your heart. So easy recipe, Chicken Mushroom Noodles Soup. So simple, yet so special. How to do that? Tara, let's cook! We need 1 cup of sliced chicken, isang platitong vermicelli, or you can use sotanghon noodles, dried mushroom, and dried fungus mushroom. These are available at the local grocery stores. Some Chinese cabbage and spring onion. A pinch of salt and pepper. I use white pepper and black pepper. The secret ingredient, sesame oil. I tell you, this sesame oil can bring this soup to the next level. 2 cloves of garlic and green chili to add a little spice. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Una, ibabad muna natin sa tubig ang ilang dry ingredients para lumambot, tsaka iset aside, kagaya ng vermicelli noodles, dried fungus mushroom, at yung ating dried mushroom. Now let's mince the garlic or chop it into small pieces. Slice the green chili into small strips. Pwede nyong hindi tanggalin ang buto ng green chili kung gusto nyong mas maanghang. Chop the Chinese cabbage into small pieces like this. Divide first the spring onions into 2. The ones with the white parts and the other with the green parts. The ones with the white parts has an intense flavor. So, uunahin natin ihulog mamaya sa mantika. At yung green, pang-garnishing natin sa last part. Malambot na ang ating mushroom. Nagbalik na siya sa kanyang original state. Gasan lang natin ito at saka hiwain. Huwag masyadong manipis ha. Tanggalin lang natin ang matigas na bahagi nito. Siguro hindi lang nababad ng maayos. This kind of mushroom has a distinct flavor, a very pleasant smell and taste. Malambot na rin ang ating vermicelli noodles. Now let's cut it using a scissor, then wash again. Kapag mainit na ang kaldero, ilagay ang mantika. Una nating igisa ang puting bahagi ng sibuyas dahon. Isunod natin ang karne ng manok. Isunod ang bawang at green chili. Kapag maluto-luto na ang karne ng manok, maglagay tayo ng 4 na basong tubig. Naglagay ako ng kalahating Nor chicken cube. Takpan lang at hintayin kumulo. Now let's drop in our mushroom. Sunod na ilagay ang fungus mushroom. Mas manipis ito kaya hindi ko sanabay sa isang mushroom. Kapag napakuluan na ang ating mushrooms, ilagay na ang vermicelli noodles or sotanghon noodles. This time, let us add the cornstarch. We have already added water to the cornstarch earlier. Tansyahin nyo lang ang gusto nyong lapot na sopas. In this recipe, hindi ko inubos lahat yung 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now let's add our leafy vegetable. Under a low fire, let us add our seasonings, a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. And of course, our secret ingredient, the sesame oil, our flavor enhancer. Let's put the garnishing. Mix everything and this is ready to serve. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa mga susunod ko mga videos. And by doing that, you will help my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, God bless you.